welcome to the Kozy Cure. The Kozy Cure is here to help you clear the chaos and embrace the cozy. Here on this channel, I will be sharing a variety of tutorials and tips, from sewing and crochet tutorials that are simple and understandable, to easy to follow cooking tutorials, to even sharing products and tools that I believe may be beneficial. I'll be sharing ideas, inspiration, and recommendations to try and make your home life easier and more pleasant, all with a sprinkle of humor. Indeed, this channel in the future may even bring in interviews, home hacks, and other projects to expand your opportunity to discover new tips, inspiration, and ideas. So, if you love cozy living, simple tutorials, and turning your home into a more functional space, hit that subscribe button and let's make home life a little more enjoyable, easier, and just a little bit more cozy.